Okay? Yes, now let's go and see.
Now all of you look at the cover page very carefully. So children, from the picture, can you guess what this story is about? What can you see in the picture? We can see tree, many trees, right? Then many buildings, then many small plants, then grass, then a little girl, then a man, right? What do you think? Who they are? Who they are? Yes, maybe this man is her father, right? Yes. So, now let's read the title of the story. The Magic Tree. From the title, can you guess what this story is about? Is it about magic? Right? Then tree. Yes. So what does the word magic means? What does the word magic means? Jadoo. Yes. But in this story, magic means something special. Yes? Okay, so do you all have tree outside your house? Or do you all plant in your balcony? Do you all have plant in your balcony? Yes, most of you have, right? And we have trees outside our house. Okay, now all of you move to the first page. Okay, now where do you think this is? Where are they? Where are they? It's look like a garden, right? So, what do you see on the ground? What do you see? Bat, ball, badminton, ball, big ball, right? Then some leaves, then some seeds, then some grass, right? Yes. So what does the boy have in his hand? Can you all see what does the boy has in his hand? Seed, right? Seeds of the tree. Can you see this? Have you even seen a tree like this? This is a so big tree. Have you even seen? Yes, you all have seen, right? Yes, very good. Now turn your page. Okay, now look at this picture carefully. What do you think the girl is saying? What do you think? Maybe they are talking about the tree, right? Maybe they are talking about the tree. Okay, now all of you turn to the next page. Look at this picture carefully. Who do you think this is? Who do you think? Maybe this is her or his father, right? So, what do you think the girl is telling? Maybe the girl is telling him about the tree and the seeds, right? Do you see anything else in the picture? We can see a house here, right? Yes, then the boy. What is the boy doing? The boy is looking at him. Yes, very good. Now look at this picture. What do you think he is picking up? What is he picking up? The girl was telling about the tree, right? So maybe they want to plant the tree. So maybe this man is picking up some seeds, right? To plant the... Yes. Okay, very good. Now turn your page. All of you look at this page carefully. So now, where are they now? They are home, right? They are at their home. So what do you think he is doing? He is cleaning the seed, right? Yes? Or he is removing the seed from the fruits, right? Yes. Now turn your page, all of you, and look at this picture. What is the girl doing in the picture? The girl is filling the pot with some mud. Can you see? The girl is filling the pot with some mud. What is the man doing? The man is placing the seed in the pot. Can you see? The man is placing the seed in the pot. Yes. So why do you think they are doing this? Because they want to plant the tree, right? They want to plant the tree. Yes, very good. Now all of you turn your page and look at this picture. What is the girl looking at? The girl is looking at the pot. Yes. Does she look happy or sad? Yes, does she look happy or sad? She looks sad. Why do you think she looks sad? Because she can't see the plant, right? Yes. Okay, now look at this picture. Where is the pot now? The pot is under the sun. Does the girl still look sad? Yes. But why? Why she looks sad? Because there was no plant to be seen from the pot, right? Yes. Okay, now all of you turn to the next page. Yes. And look at the picture carefully. Okay, what do you see in the picture? We can see a plant, little plant, right? Growing. Yeah, slowly. But this plant is under the mud, right? Yes. So what do you think is happening inside the pot? What do you think? The plant is growing slowly. Yes. Now look at this picture. Is there something new in the pot? Can you see something new in the pot? Yes. What is it? We can see a leaf here, right? Very good. Now look at her face. Is she happy or sad? She is happy now. Why do you think she is happy? Why do you think? Because now she can see a small leaf here, right? That's why she is very happy. Now turn to the next page, all of you, and look at the picture carefully. So what do you see in the picture? we can see many leaves coming out, right? Yes. Does the plant look different now? Does it look different? Yes. What do you think happening to the plant? It is growing big, right? Now it is growing big. Yes. Now turn to the next page. Look at the picture. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are digging, right? They are digging. Why do you think they need that? Because they want to move this plant here. So Papa digs a hole, right? Okay, now you turn your page and look at this picture very carefully. Yes. So what is he pointing to? He is pointing to the big trees here. Can you see this tree? What tree is this? This is a mango tree. Can you see the mangoes? 2 mangoes? Yes. So what do you think he is saying? Maybe he is saying that this tree will also grow like the mango tree. Right? Very big. This will also grow very big. Yes. Now turn your page and look at this picture. Do you think the girl look happy? Yes, the girl look very happy. Right? The girl look very happy. What is she doing? She is looking at all the trees and she is smiling because she is very happy. Right? Yes, children. Very good.
So children, were you able to say what this story is about by looking at the pictures? I hope